Welcome to the Dancing Vegan. Today we'll be making French fries in the oven. We're using organic russet potatoes. We're also using grapeseed oil, paprika, black pepper, salt, and thyme. We're going to set the oven to bake on 370 degrees. Now we're going to cut our potatoes in half and then cut them into slices. Now we will take each slice and cut them into rectangular shapes for French fries. Now we have our bowl of cut fries. I'm going to cover them with grapeseed oil. Add enough oil to mix around, but not too much. I'm going to put the paprika, the thyme, the pepper, and a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to mix everything around. You want to make sure that every fry gets covered with a little bit of oil. Now let's get our tray and our parchment paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to lay out each fry. You want to make sure that they're not too crowded, that they have their own space. That way it will be more tasty. Now we're going to put our fries in the oven. The ideal time is 20 to 25 minutes. We went a little bit over, so ours came out a little bit more crispy. Here's our fries, and again the ideal time would be 20 to 25 minutes on 370 degrees. Thank you for watching.